What's up, guys? This is Hamlet News. The Nebula Capsule is a $300 portable projector that is advertised as the world's most advanced pocket cinema. It's the size of a soda can and can produce up to a 100-inch screen. It also has a 360-degree Bluetooth speaker. It has a HDMI port so you can connect a laptop or video game console, but it can also work as a standalone device. It has built-in Wi-Fi and runs on an Android 7.1 operating system. It's surprisingly fantastic for enlarging presentations from your laptop and playing retro video game consoles. It works well for streaming sporting events and TV shows too. For apps like Netflix, you can download shows directly to the Nebula Capsule and watch them later. Alternative options are relatively slim at this time. AAXA M6 produces a higher resolution picture, but it's not as portable and significantly more expensive at $599. That about wraps it up, guys. Thanks and have a great one.